Yes, it is Wednesday. Welcome to Daily Fit Boost. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, of course, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're doing our triceps. Here we go. Last week, we talked about having our feet square shoulder width apart. Same thing for the triceps. And also, you want to make sure that your elbows are glued into your sides. When you push down, I want you to focus on really squeezing and extending that arm all the way down, elbows like nice and strong. It actually looks like I'm skiing a little bit. So we don't want to swing. That's a no-no. No. Okay, remember your elbows are always glued into your sides as you're pushing down. Boom, and there you have it. You now know how to do a cable tricep workout. You're looking like a pro already. Guys, as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's do this again sometime.